I was absorbed by those windows and the power they had to frame. Framing, I would say to you, is one of the reasons that I cared and identified with Japan. The Japanese understand the power of framing. A memorable occasion for me was seeing a potter, not just any potter, but a national living treasure of Japan, whose studio was in Hagi. I asked if I could come and visit him making pots, and he said, "I'm not doing that right now. I'm ailing." The truth is, he was near death, but he invited me. We had tea together in the garden viewing room of the tea house. When the tea was over, the rain began, and I asked if I could stay. I stayed maybe another half hour waiting for the fish to compose themselves. The master stayed with me patiently. I asked him why the garden moved me so much, and he said, "It's 600 years old."